Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about healthy drinks that can be beneficial for the stomach. 1. Ginger tea. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the stomach and improve digestion. 2. Aloe vera is known for its soothing properties and can help reduce inflammation in the stomach. It can also help with digestion. 3. Peppermint tea. Peppermint has natural anti-inflammatory properties and can help soothe the stomach. It is also known to help with digestive issues such as bloating and gas. 4. Kefir. Kefir is a fermented drink that contains probiotics, which can help promote a healthy gut microbiome. It is also rich in calcium and protein. 5. Green smoothie. A green smoothie made with leafy greens such as spinach or kale, along with fruits, can provide the body with essential vitamins.